Okay, today, June 9th, 2025, Monday. I'm here at the Long Beach property. Nick is currently working on the exterior of the property building, repairing some rotted wood, and also he's gonna paint whole area, exterior area. Probably we can change the color of the exterior building. But we noticed that there are he says there are a lot of termite damage, including on top, the top board right there and bottom. So he's gonna replace some of the old caulking. And also I asked him to right there repair that damaged wood right there. So yep. And also we are planning to repaint only the section right here. The stucco area we're just gonna leave it, but instead we're just repainting this area and this area and that area right there. So I have to discuss with the property owner for the color. And so this area we're gonna change the color maybe, and also the stairs we're gonna repaint. Okay. And let's see. We have a mosquito traps. Okay. Okay.